I think BMW I is fundamentally about innovation.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Car Review channel. This is BMW I Interaction is concept, arrival of Mercedes-Maybach GLS in the future. And now take your time to discover this amazing concept and don't forget to leave your comment.
I think BMW I is fundamentally about innovation. BMW I is also about bringing the BMW Group to new frontiers, taking it to new places, and those new places are essential new places for us to exist and coexist with our customers. One of my favorite parts of this concept is its level of abstraction and architecturalness on the exterior. And the reason I like that so much is that it starts to become almost unmistakable for a part of the urban fabric itself. This could be a building. This could be a part of an architectural constellation within a city. And that starts to become a very exciting dialogue as we think about new methods of mobility, particularly within the urban context.